In this video, we'll be building an email classifier that classifies all your mails into different buckets. So even if you get 100 mails today, be it work, be it personal, be it pictures, be it promotional, they all are going to be classified into different tags so that you can go and just have a look at what are the important ones, what are the junk ones, and you can live a happy life. Just to make it sure, I haven't built it yet, so I'm going to build it with you so that you can see all of my thought process, all of my mistakes, all of my things that I do while building a workflow, so that not only you have the workflow, but you also have my mindset, which is the most important thing. And with all of that, the JSON file and all the prompts are in the description, so if you want to have a look, you can go. No sign up required, no school community, they are all just for free. Take them, use them, do whatever with them. And now let's actually get to the live build. Alright, so this is the future me and I've already built the email classifier system. I'm just gonna show you how it all works. So this is my another email and I'm just sending it to my main email. So it goes right there and it's gonna come. Alright, we have it over here, and now our email classifier system is gonna run by itself and it's gonna classify which of the 5 or 6 buckets that we have. So like action required, promotional, personal, what bucket does our email goes to. You can see we don't have the label as of now. It's not running. It's gonna run in every single minute. And then our email was actually a cold pitch for leads and stuff. So now that we come back, you can see it ran successfully at 6:54. It's 6:55. So it ran successfully, and now you can see that it should be classified. We click on refresh and boom, our email classifier system has already classified the email that we just got, and any new mail that you get is going to be classified. So it's going to be really easy for you to digest all of it and be like, hey, I don't want to click on promo. I don't want to click on promo. I want to click on action required, because that is going to be the thing. Oh, I'm going to be fired. So that is going to be really valuable. And now let's talk about how to build it. Alright, so before we actually get to the init platform and start building, we need to map out the process of how are we gonna build it first, so that we are clear about, what are we building and how are we building it. So this is how I think we should be going. I hope this works. Yeah, this is working. We'll have a Gmail trigger node. By the way, I have a really nice writing, so thank me later. We're gonna have a Gmail trigger. So whenever you get a mail, it's gonna trigger this automation. Ultimately add a label. So we just need something in between to kind of classify it. It's gonna be AI, obviously. So we can have an AI agent, or better, we can just have a ChatGPT model, OpenAI model, OpenAI chat model. So it can actually classify which email is it. And then we also need the buckets. It's a bucket, all right. We also need buckets of categories that we are going to put our email into. Let's say if we are building it for a working professional, the major thing they're going to have, in my opinion, is it's like action required. And then they're going to be promotional emails, obviously, which we don't want, which we want ourselves to kind of get rid of and stuff like that. So promo emails, newsletter that are selling something and not like the ones that we subscribe to. Then we have cold pitches if they get something, because I get a lot of them. And then we're gonna have the informational one. So like all the deliveries, all the notifications, all the announcements, all the random updates. So informational. We need to add transactional to it as well. Transaction is like all the maybe deliveries are gonna be go here. Deliveries here, or information, I don't know, deliveries, and then random builds, even over here password resets and stuff like that. So we need to kind of take help from Gemini, classify them. And then we have one more thing, which is personal, right? We need personal, and then let's say others that don't fit any other categories. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 buckets we're gonna have to classify it. This time we need a Gmail trigger. All right, Gmail trigger, and then we need an AI agent, or let's say OpenAI chat model. And to classify all of it, we need an if statement, or like a split one. So a split, so that it can split the results, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6. Yep, 6. And all of these 6 are gonna go to different label nodes so that they can label. The first one is gonna be label action required AR, and then it's gonna be label promo. Right, get the thing? I think this is gonna how the whole system is gonna look like. So now that we have the basic framework, let's actually start building it. So first thing is right here we have Gmail trigger, Gmail on message received. There we go. We're gonna configure it later. Let's first build all of it. Then we're gonna have OpenAI chat, I think. Message model, yes, that's good. Then I think we're gonna have a split model, right? This is the one. It's this or some other one. I don't remember it. If I think switch would do, right? What is the difference between switch and split? Okay, it gives one item and then it separates it. No, we don't want split. We want switch over here. And then it's gonna produce 7 of the results, right? So we're gonna have 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not gonna like link all of them right now, but 7 of them, all of them are gonna label. All right, label Gmail, and then add label to a message. Awesome. So let's delete it first and copy, paste. Yeah, I didn't copy. Copy, paste, 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 paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and oh, we just want 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I think I have some wrong calculations. So, oh, it's starting from 0. Damn it. It's gonna have some confusion. In any case, we didn't need 7. We just need 6. So let's actually go and delete the last one. Right. Awesome. Now we're gonna press on cleanup. Okay. All right. So this is the basic structure that we have right now. And now let's actually start connecting. So first thing we need over here is the Gmail trigger. I'm connecting a new email so you can see the entire process, an email that I don't use much. So I'm just gonna like use this right now. And I'm gonna click on create new credentials, sign in with Google, this one. All right, select all. Okay, continue. That's it. If you're not in the cloud version and you're having a local host, it's gonna be a pretty more difficult task. So you can go on YouTube and search for how to connect Gmail with N8N local, and I think it's gonna come. Yeah, so you can see all of it. It's pretty easy in the local one, so I just did it. Wasn't much of an issue. And then let's actually go to the OpenAI thing. I showed in the last video, but let me do it again. We go to OpenAI playground. Let's search it, and then it's gonna come platform.openai, and it's gonna show something like this. If you have logged in, I've already logged in, so then I'm gonna go on API keys, create a new key. You're gonna need to add some budget, so make sure you add from here over here billing. The thing is, I added it when I started learning, and then maybe a month back, and I've still used like 1.14 credit, so it runs a very long way. You can add it and just forget about it. I don't even see it anymore. But yeah, it's needed, so you can actually skip the process. All right, then you go back and create a new key. I already have one, so I'm not going to create another one. All right, I'm going to just click on this one, and from list I'm going to choose ChatGPT 5 because I think it's going to do the job well. You can also come here and click on docs and go to pricing to see how much each of these models cost. This is like price per million token, so a million token is maybe 500,000 words or something like that. I just use 4o when I have some high kind of tasks. I just use GPT-5 when it's, you know, kind of basic. So this is on the basic one. Go with the 5. Boom, boom, boom. This is one. And now let's leave it over here. Now we need to connect these again, and let's actually go over here and clear the labels. All right, and for the labels, actually let's go to this website. It's actually a website lmarina.com. It helps you to use any model you want, so you can chat with any model, and it's free, so you don't need to pay for it. I have the subscription for ChatGPT, but I tend to use this more or less. So let's actually just search over here. What we need to search is, hey, I am creating a workflow that classifies all the emails I get and put them into labels. I have written 5 labels that I want to classify them into. Can you put more details about them, like what should go inside them? And then we're gonna like write the 5 buckets: action required, promo, informational, personal, others. I want my I want all my mails to be classified into these buckets. Give me more details. All right. I think that should do the job. All right, we have it. And I think it has done a pretty good job. So first one, we have action required. Then we have promo, pitches, information, personal, and others. All right, so let's create 5 labels. The first one is action required. So label action required. What is next label? I don't know. Let's just have this. All right. Action required, then promo, informational, personal, others. So we have created 5 labels over here. And then I'm going to tell Claude over here to, can you build a system prompt for an AI agent that classifies all of these emails? So whenever I get the email, I'm gonna run it through it, and it's gonna give just one or two words out and nothing else. Let's actually see what's giving. Till then, we have 6. Oh, we have 6, but I've just given 5. So I think I missed something. Lol. Oh, I missed the transactional, damn it. Okay, so it has added transaction into information. I think it will do the job. Let's actually just go with it. I'm not gonna like add it again. You are an email classifying agent. Your only job is to categorize emails into one of 5 labels: tables, action required, promo, pitches. Okay, informational, personal, others, rules, respond with only one label name. Awesome. This is the perfect prompt. We don't even need to kind of adjust it. I'm just gonna copy it and then paste it over here into system prompt. And okay, this is a user prompt. User prompt is like what the AI model needs to do, and then we also need to have a system prompt. Let's actually go back to LM Arena and then like, can you write a short system prompt for the AI model just to make her behave well? Okay, I think this will do the job. You are a helpful email classifier, each email into exactly one label. Awesome. This is gonna do the job. All right. Then we have the switches, and we now need to kind of connect the labels. Okay. Message ID. I think first we need the Gmail trigger to work. All right. So I have opened another email so that we can send some emails and test if this is working. Click on execute workflow, and now, oh, wait a second. Let's actually disconnect it. Play. Awesome. Node succeeded. All right, so it actually got the last one. In any case, we got what we want, and now we can actually click on this. Okay, go to Gmail trigger, message ID, and then in the first one we have okay, so I haven't even connected this one, so I'm just gonna like connect it to Gmail too. That was it. And now we have wait, go. The first one was action required, right? So action required, there we go, action required. Then okay, let's actually now add the name, action required. Then we're gonna go over here, add label message. All right, this one is action required, and then promotional message ID. I'm gonna click on this one, and again over here, and over here we're gonna click on promo. All right, then the third one is informational message ID again. The third one is informational, and then this is personal, and then message ID once again. We're gonna click on this, and then we're gonna click on personal. Okay, there we go. And then the last one, let's actually delete it, And let's actually delete one more field from here. So we just have 5. All right, 5 over here. And then this one is others, message ID once again, ID. And then we go on to this and then others. Okay, there we go. Our system is actually built. You see, it was that simple. Now we just have to like test it and run it. We have added the thing as well. Let's see if this works. Click on this. Did we get something? OpenAI is still running. Okay, let's wait. Oh, I haven't actually added anything. Like it can't actually read the message, you know. Damn it. Okay, one more user prompt. Here's the message for you. Here's the email for you to classify. Okay, and then we're gonna select subject security alert and then email body. This is the one for the body snippet, and we're gonna add it over here. Okay, I think it should work now. Let's click on this once again and see if it's actually able to do the thing that we want. What was the output? Action required. Awesome. And now we just have to like if value 1 is equal to this, value 1 is gonna be the text that we get out of here, text, and the first one is action required. Action required is gonna come like this. Okay, and then once again we're gonna add the text, get from here. Second one is promotional. So, and we have given the prompt in which we have written promotional as well, promo/pitches. Okay, so we have to write this one over there, or it's gonna be a problem because AI is gonna give this input and then the classifier will not be able to, you know, let it go. So, and then we have informational, which is the third one, I think. Informational text. There we go. Then once again, we go and get personal. And see. And then we add this from here. And the last one was others. I remember it. So no props. And then let's go to this. Okay, I think it should work now. Let's try it again. I'm gonna execute workflow. Got the item. ChatGPT is classifying it. And it should be classified. Is it? Let's click on refresh. Boom. We have it now. We just wanted that. Now let's actually click on save and make it active. So it keeps listening to the emails that we get. It's gonna check every minute. All right. So let's actually go to executions and see if all of this is working. It's gonna check for emails every minute. All right. Let's actually send something. Can you write a cold email to Cinehood to help them get leads? We are from ABC company that help businesses get more leads. Boom, we have the subject line. Copy, paste. The recipient is @gmail.com, and then the message is gonna be this. All right. Cheers, ABC. Email abc @gmail.com. Phone number, let's leave it, and let's send. Actually, I think we should have got it. All right, did we receive the email? Yes, we did receive the email, and let's see if the email classifier is running. It hasn't checked till now. Let's actually, oh, okay, it just checked and it's running once again. I think it should have classified it. Let's click on refresh, moment of truth. Boom. We freaking have it over here. All right, so let's actually test once more. This time I'm gonna give a personal one. So, hey, can you write an email to Sayujya telling that I need him to be in the office by tomorrow 5 p.m. or he is fired. Let's actually do this. I think it's gonna go in action required @gmail.com. Boom. Subject, you are gonna be fired, mate. And then that's how we paste the email. Come on, V. Alright, regards A, B, C. 3, 2, 1. Let's send it. Alright, we just received it. And let's see if it can actually classify it. It's gonna run in every minute. So it's gonna wait a minute and check if we got a new email. The last time it checked was maybe 6:47.45. Alright, so it checked again. It's checking in every 152 seconds. I think it should have classified now. Boom. We freaking have it. And that was the email classifier system. I think it was pretty easy. I showed you the entire process of how I built it. I promise that I didn't build it earlier. I was just like, let's build it and show all the process. So I think this format is really helpful for me. I watched Nick Sarai building workflows like this all the time, and I think that's the most valuable thing, because once I build it, I have all the errors. I know how to solve each and everything. But right now, if I encountered something, I didn't know how to figure shit out. So I think if I give that to you, the real process of figuring shit out, it's gonna be really helpful. And that's the concept behind these live builds. And I'm publishing 2-3 videos like this every single week. So if you find this valuable, feel free to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.